My name is Jonas Carlsson and I work as the head of new building for the Swedish Sea Rescue Society, and I've been in the boating industry for 25 plus years. Our boats are built for one purpose only, and that's to save lives at sea. So they're designed for all conditions and to be used by our voluntary crew all around Swedish coastline. These boats are designed for obviously rough weather, but we have chosen an interceptor system mainly because we want to be able to trim down the bow to minimize pitching and slamming, but to gain some extra momentum in the bow in rough seas. That's why we choose this lightning system. So in here we're building 3 different boat classes, 1.9, 1.12 and 1.15 meter class, and all the K9 and the K12, the 9 and 12 meter, are equipped with the lightning system from Humphree. We choose Humphree and the lightning system for 2 reasons mainly. It's durability. We know that the products last for a long time, and we also appreciate the integration possibilities that we can do with the system. So we integrate it fully into our boat, and for the operator to have less systems and less control panels available, but all integrated for easy operation. We've been using Lightning since they came out on the market, but we've used older Humphree systems for a while on different boats, so the last 2-3 years now. I think the installation is more simple with the Lightning system, but also the integration, I think, has taken the next step with the full NMEA 2000 integration and to the Imperbus system that we're using. So I would say that's the main 2 reasons. We use the lights in the Lightning system for picking up persons from the water. That's also the platform where we would take on board a casualty. On the bigger boats we use dedicated underwater lights for that reason as well, but yes, on the 9 meter we use the lights.